Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tail area safe. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and put on gloves. Once done, lift the seat and expose the battery and tail lamp connector. This gives you immediate access. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal so you won't short anything while working on the backlight. Make sure to keep the terminal clear of metal and note connector orientation for reassembly. This saves time and prevents wiring errors later. You now remove the lamp assembly. Using the correct spanner, loosen the mounting bolts and support the unit so it doesn't drop. Once undone, unclip the wiring harness gently. Avoid pulling on wires and press release tabs as needed. After freeing the lamp, remove the lens and inspect the bulb or LED board plus the housing for corrosion or moisture. This explains many failures. If you see damage, replace the socket or clean contacts. Before you finish by installing the new bulb or LED module, aligning tabs and seating the lens securely so it seals against moisture. Then reconnect the wiring harness, tighten the tail lamp bolts, and reattach the negative battery terminal. Once reassembled, test tail, brake, and turn functions, apply steady pressure to check brightness, and pulse the brake to confirm responsiveness. If the light fails, recheck connector pins for corrosion and continuity. A bent pin or loose connector is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.